Our community learning workshops are for community groups and individuals who might face barriers in engaging and visiting Kew. And the purpose is to let them feel that Kew is a really welcoming, safe space for everyone to engage with. The Knit in Nature workshop started, I believe, in November 2018, and they've continued through time exploring different topics that link practical skills to science and the botany of our gardens.
So we looked at the idea of food security and how Kew Gardens has a big role to play in making sure that we all have food to eat in the future. So we made a food security blanket. It's a little squares. Some of them were the plants that people hadn't seen before. They're like, oh, that's what a sweet potato looks like. I had no idea that the plant looked like this. And then we made the dishes that we like to eat, basically. It was really interesting looking at that idea of what do you do with your staples, and also how they're a part of our culture and how we express ourselves and how we show love and getting together. And yeah, so it was really interesting to have all that just in a blanket.
I have learned a new skill of this loop knitting, right? I think this is my quality time. I look forward to it every month. I look forward to it. It's just absolutely amazing.
These workshops are important because they provide an insight on the work that Kew does, but also a safe and inclusive space for people who would otherwise feel quite isolated, and supports them in building new friendships and feeling part of something that hopefully will last well beyond Kew.
It gives me the opportunity which I normally might not be able to afford it.
All of us, I know everyone in this class, looks forward to this, and we all feel like it's a lifeline.